Hello, Sidra ma'am. Thank you to you and the entire team of RFA, including Dr. Safa ma'am, my mentor, Dr. Sampada, who was with me in the regular batch, and the fast track mentors, Dr. Urva, Dr. Iram. All of the mentors have been extremely helpful and kind. Especially, ma'am, you, for me personally, I had just given my part 2 in Jan, and you encouraged me to take part 3, and I was so skeptical in the beginning, telling you that, ma'am, it's just 2.5 months gap, would I be able to do it or not? But you had faith in me, and I have had faith in you throughout, during my part 2, then after my part 2, and now I just feel that because of you, your constant support, your weekly sessions, your extremely constructive feedback, the material on the website, the templates given to us by our regular mentors, our fast track mentors, and also the pre-recorded audios that you've had on the website, all of it holistically helped me to crack this exam. Honestly, I wouldn't have been able to do anything if I didn't have you as my mentor. You have always been very focused, very structured, and you've always asked us to work hard in the smartest way possible, because definitely people who have cleared part 2, they are intelligent enough to have had been through such a rigorous test. But it's the molding, the personal touch you give. You know every mentee's story by heart. You know every mentee's background, personal problems, and you curate the course for everyone. It's just commendable, ma'am. Your patience, especially your you answering to our incessant questions, back-to-back personal messages, video calls, voice calls. You've been there for me like my own mother. Today I can easily say that if somebody is extremely proud of you, proud of me, is my own mother and you, because the amount of hard work that I have put, you have put equal amount, if not more than, for me. Honestly, you've supported me, you've been there for me. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to you. You are an extremely hardworking, passionate woman, and you are a true inspiration to all young girls who want to do much more than just being a doctor, being a mom, being a businesswoman, being an influencer, being, just a true force of nature. And I'm sure that all of my colleagues can vouch for you being mentor, and you are absolute gem of a person. And special thank you to Safa ma'am. She has been really kind and really encouraging to all of us. Thank you so much to the entire team of RFA, and I'm really happy to have even scored well. I got 71% despite having not completed 2 of my sessions. So I was just so thorough with the material. I feel now in retrospect that the stations that I was able to complete, I did it really well. So thank you, ma'am, and heartfelt thank you and gratitude to the entire team of